Technological King here, showing you how to install Chrome OS into VirtualBox. Before I get started, I didn't forget to make that video on how to install incompatible apps on Android. I just never got around to it, but it will be in my next video. But anyway, in the links below, you need to open up VirtualBox and Chrome OS .hex, whatever that says, .net. Just basically Chrome vanilla, and this will work on Windows, Macs, and Linux. The Linux OS is, for desktops and other crap like that. Depending on which OS you run, it depends on which one you click on. I'm running Windows, so I click Windows. And I scroll all the way to the bottom and click on the newest one, and just select VirtualBox, and then save it to a folder where you know you won't forget it. I've already downloaded this as Chrome OS, so I'm not going to re-download it because my Wi-Fi connection isn't that great. I know it says 4 out of 5, but it's not that strong. Some weird reasons, my mouse is just like blinking a lot. Don't know why, but yeah. And once you have that done, you can go ahead and exit this now once you're done, but make sure you click VirtualBox, not USB. USB is when you install it like as a regular OS, and VirtualBox is inside of VirtualBox. If you don't already have VirtualBox, you need to download it. Once you have that done, you need to also download the VirtualBox extensions pack. Now you need to install VirtualBox first, because then if you install the extension pack second, it'll just install it for you. Where if you get the extension pack first, you would have to go look for the extension pack, and then look for where you have to install it inside of VirtualBox. Now I already know how to do that, but it's simpler if you just do it VirtualBox and then extensions. Just make it that way, make it life easier. Once that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and close all these tabs because they're not really necessary. You need to run VirtualBox. I want to say mine's already running. I'm going to go ahead and delete this right now. Just remove and delete all files. Once you have the Chrome OS downloaded and the VirtualBox and all that other stuff, you need to locate Chrome OS wherever that may be. Mine is in my system folder inside of Chrome OS, and you need to. Oh, you're also going to need a WinRAR or 7-zip. I'm just going to go ahead and I use WinRAR. I'll put WinRAR in the description below. Just not drag it out. You need to open it up. I like WinRAR, prefer WinRAR, so I'm going to put WinRAR in the description. And I just need to drag it out to your desktop. Then just let it move it to your desktop, or extract it, because it's extracting, right there. Shouldn't take too long. If anyone has an SSD, they'll probably be done a lot quicker. I don't. I have a traditional hard drive. Once that's done, just set it down wherever. I'm not even quite. I don't really think you need to move it to your desktop. It's easy. It's easier to find this way. It's if you don't know where the folder is. If you know where the folder is, you don't need to move it to your desktop. Once that's done, you need to click New and name it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it Chrome OS. Then in type, you need to call it Linux. Then in version, scroll down to the very bottom, and other Linux. Then next. Essentially, you only need about 1 gig of RAM. I'm just going to 2, which is 2048 to be exact. And you can also have 4, which is 4096, but you can't go above that. But yeah, like I said, I'm just going to have 2. If you want to have 1, it's 1024. Then next, and then you go to use existing hard drive. Don't go to create. Just go to existing and find wherever that VDI is. See, since it's in your desktop, it's right there. Double click it, and there you go. And create. And not yet. You're not done just yet. First, then you need to go into your settings. Go to display. Turn it up to 128 and enable 3D and 2D acceleration. Under network, you need to go to attached to bridge adapter, then advanced, and for your third select, just go to the third selection. which for me is Intel Pro /1000 MT desktop, all that other crap. And then if you install the extensions like I told you to, this should already be enabled, and then select OK. Once that's done, then you can start it up, and that's it. Now this isn't like Windows. It's not going to ask you for a product key or whatever. I'm sure you guys can hear me cracking my knuckles right now. But as you can see, my mouse is here, but once I get into the virtual screen, it just disappears and then pops on the other side. To fix this issue, first you need to click inside so it'll show up. Now, it might ask you about capturing the screen. Just hit don't show again, then OK. Then go to machine, disable mouse integration, or you can just hit Control I and click it again, and it works. So, okay, for some weird reason, it's just acting dumb right now. I can't explain this right now. This doesn't make any sense. Okay, Control I again. Okay, now it's working. Nope, still acting dumb. For some weird reason, my mouse is acting really wonky. Okay, something's... yeah, hopefully this doesn't happen to y'all, because this is starting to make me upset. Okay, seems like it's good for now. And it will move extremely slow, so don't be worried about that. Just leave it on Ethernet and then continue if you're not getting the same issue I am. Continue. Then your email address. Yeah. Then password. You can sign in. And then, assuming this is the last step, it should be, yeah, then you just choose an image. I'm just going to have a penguin. Nah, yeah, no, I'm going to have this little DJ thingy. Alright, and then, or turntable, whatever. Okay, and pretty much you're done. Then this is going to set up and other stuff. And then test your internet connection. Control. Ugh. This freaking mouse is just getting on my nerves. Just acting like a bum. So, like, any way to have it stop doing this? It didn't happen last time, so I don't know why it is now. This is a lot of work just trying to exit out. Okay, exit. And then you can just open up this thing like the Chrome and apps and stuff. If you want a review on what this is and how to use it, just go to Mobile Tech Review. They just recently did a review of this, and she'll show you what it's about and all other stuff related to this. And you can have a wallpaper set. Just right click currently, then set wallpaper. This is getting on my nerves. And you can have custom wallpapers where you can just choose a file, or these different selections if it'll let me freaking select them. Whatever, it's not really that important. And then you can just shut it down. I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Power off machine, and that's it. And there you go. That's how you install Chrome OS through VirtualBox. Sure, you can do it through USB, but I'm not going to. But there you go. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and as always, comment, like, subscribe.